Compare Foods, you can find everything you need to make a unique meal. From the meat as your main dish, rice and beans on the side, and some spices to put on top. I recently took a tour around the store with Chef Santana, and we started in the section that adds a bit of kick to your dish. All right, well, it's time to spice things up because we're starting in the spice section today here at Compare Foods. So, Santana, I want you to pick something out for me.
Definitely. So, just to go over these real quick, these are nothing but dried peppers. All you have to do is just put them back in water and then hydrate them to get loose again, and you add them to your sauces. So, are you familiar with Chipotle?
I love Chipotle.
So this is it right here. We'll start with this right here. We'll just mix it in our sauces. You can take some good fresh produce, onions, bell peppers, things like that, and we just hydrate these, make them loose, like I said earlier, and just go ahead and incorporate that Chipotle flavor in our sauce.
Oh, okay. Give me that. That's going right in my cart right here. And those red ones look really spicy.
These chili pies, which they're a little more spicier, do the same thing. You can just take a fewer bunch of these, put them in your hot water, put them in the blender, blend them up, and you have a nice sauce still.
And thank you. This is going in right here, and I think this would pair great with some good meats. And you guys have a great meat section here, so why don't we go check that out?
Let's go.
All right, Santana, well, now we're over here in the meat section, and there are so many options.
There's a lot of options. You have everything that we already used to, your beef, chicken, and pork options. One thing that I always like to come do on a weekday is just go ahead and grab me something that's already marinated, seasoned perfectly. Boom, you have it.
That makes it quick and easy, especially for someone like me who wants to have it quick and be able to eat as soon as possible.
100%. This is your option. This is your go-to right here.
This is my section right there. Well, let's keep this tour going.
Let's go.
All right, Santana, I am just loving walking through the store. It's so colorful, and I'm also seeing some really great flags here. So this is the international section.
This is my favorite section of the store, the international section. Now, I just come, like, whatever I'm thinking, do I want to go Dominicano? Do I want to go Puerto Rican? Any other flavors like that? I take a look at the flag, go to the section that I want to, and I start my story right there. Now, when I'm cooking, I like to tell a story. Things that I know connect coaches is rice and beans, right? So as you see right here, I have some jasmine rice right here. I see you have a few bean options already, your kidney beans, your black eyed peas. I'm gonna go red beans with this one. And we're just gonna go like that, and we're just gonna tell that foundation like that.
Well, and I just feel like every meal is not complete unless you have some good rice and beans. That really is what connects everyone, because we all have it with our meals.
Absolutely. Like I said before, it's the foundation of the meal.
Well, I have loved looking around this store with you today. It's been so much fun. So thanks for showing me around.
Definitely. It was my pleasure.
And while I was at Compare Foods, I found some tomatillos, which is Compare Foods' product of the week. Tomatillos are the smaller green cousin of tomatoes, and they're best known as the main ingredient in salsa verde.
But you can also use tomatillos in a variety of sauces, dressings, even as toppings for avocado toast. Pick some up today and start experimenting. They just might become one of your favorite summer produce finds. Visit one of Compare Foods' 6 Charlotte area local stores or shop online by visiting CompareCLT.com/shop.
Nobody knows the neighborhood like Compare Foods.